Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if your FPS is dropping off when you are playing games from your computer. There is probably nothing worries than that happening when you are playing on online game. So in this video we'll resolve couple of methods. Let's jump straight into it guys. Go to search menu and type regedit, register editor, run as administrator, click yes. Here you need to go H key current user, go to system, expand this game configure store, click on that and expand it, click on it. Here you need to right side game DVR enable. Here is game DVR enabled, right click on it, modify. Now you need to backspace it and press 0, value data 0 and press OK. Now hopefully this will be solved for you. Go ahead and restart your PC. It's still not working. The game you are getting disconnected by FPS. It's still not working guys. Follow my next step to second alternative solution. Let's go guys. Go to H key local machine, expand it and go to software and go to Microsoft. In Microsoft you need to go policy manager, go on it, expand it. Here you need to click on default, expand it, application manager, application management, click on it, allow games DVR, click on allow games DVR, right side click on value, right click, modify. Here value data you need to change it to be 0, backspace and 0 and OK. That's it guys, hope you like it. This tutorial is definitely work for you guys. Go ahead and restart to make changes guys. After restarting you may good to go. Thanks for watching my channel guys. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Goodbye.